Hello friends, how are you? Fine? Good. Good. Today's our subject is science. Science is very useful subject. Science is major subject. Today we are going to learn what is science, definition of science, information about totally science. Today we learn information about science. What is science and definition of science? Scientia is a Latin word. Scientia is a Latin word. Scientia is a Latin word. Meaning is knowledge. Meaning is knowledge. Scientia then make science. First word is available, scientia. Scientia means knowledge, and then nextly making the next word or next familiar word, science. Whenever any teacher, any students, any friend asks to you, that time you can talk about science. Okay? Then, what is the definition of science? Science is the specific and systematic knowledge. Easy and short definition. Everyone wants easy and short definition. But sometimes short definition is not beneficial for our future, for our education. Sometimes long definition is important. But any person, any teacher asks to you suddenly, that time you can talk, you can say, science is the specific and systematic knowledge. Understood? Yes. Then, this one is first definition. Then, second one. Many definitions are available, created in our nature, in our world, in our school, in our science world, in our area. But some definitions are very important. And those definitions we discuss in our class. Some definitions are very important. Some definitions are very easy. Some definition is very useful. And those definitions we take in this class today. Second definition is science is knowledge. Science is knowledge. Just 2 minutes. Okay. Second definition. Science is knowledge obtained through observation and experiment. In this definition, two words are very important: observation and experiment. I think everyone knows about experiment. Whenever starting in our school science lectures, science fair, that time everyone known about experiment word. experiment and observation. Any experiment is very important. That time, everyone listen and watch carefully. Yes, everything. Then, I think second definition understood perfectly. Definition is so easy. Why? Because of science is a knowledge, easy knowledge obtained through observation and experiment. Okay? Then third definition. Many definition you will create, but some definitions are very important. Then third one. Science is a knowledge obtained through scientific approach or scientific method. This definition is different than second definition. Yes, which science is a knowledge obtained through scientific approach. This word is very important in this definition. Scientific approach. In science subject, scientific approach is most important. Almost scientific approach is important. And scientific method. Science is a scientific method. I hope these are three definitions and Latin word scientia. Scientia is Latin word, and then make scientia means knowledge, and then make science. Science word. Everyone, every state, every country, our world use science word. Understood? Okay. This is a basic information about the science. In the next lecture, we discuss about the part of science. Science subject mainly divided into three parts. Formal science, natural science, and physical science. Such kind of information we'll learn in next lecture. But today, it's basic information about science. Most important information. Why? Because anyone asks you what is the definition of science, that time everyone can speak, everyone can talk perfectly. I hope.